Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about IUPAC nomenclature of cycloalkanes. What are cycloalkanes? Cycloalkane consists only carbon and hydrogen atoms arranged in a single ring and having all single bonds. Now how to name this cycloalkanes? It is quite simple. Just introduce a prefix cyclo to the nomenclature of the straight chain alkane. So look at this example. This is a cyclic compound having 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So since there are 4 carbons, so we can name it as butane. But you can't only name it as butane because it is a cyclic compound. So you introduce the word cyclo and the name of the compound is cyclobutane. The corresponding open chain compound is butane, and since this is a cyclic compound, its name is cyclobutane. Look at this table. If the ring contains 3 carbons, then it is named as cyclopropane. As you have seen, if the ring contains 4 carbon, then it is named cyclobutane. If there are 5 carbon, then it is named cyclopentane. 6, then cyclohexane. 7, then cycloheptane. 8, then cyclooctane. But if the cycloalkanes are substituted, then how to name these compounds? If the ring is substituted, then the name of the substituent is written at the prefix. As all these rules you will find similar to the IUPAC nomenclature of straight chain alkanes and branch chain alkanes. The rules are quite similar. Now there also we used to put the branch alkyl chain name in the prefix, and here also for cycloalkanes also the same thing, the same rule is applicable. So look at this compound. The IUPAC nomenclature of this compound will be methyl cyclopentane because this is a 5-membered ring. So the parent name is cyclopentane. The substituent is a methyl group. So the name of the substituent comes in the prefix. So the name of this compound is methyl cyclopentane. But what happens if the ring is disubstituted with 2 different alkyl groups? If 2 different alkyl groups are present, then to indicate the position of the substituted alkyl group, numbering is done in preference to alphabetical order. Then their number and name are written in prefix in alphabetical order. The name, prefix, suffix and the parent name are written without a gap. Number, if there are 2 or more numbers, they are separated from each other by comma. There should be an hyphen between the number and the name. These all rules you know earlier. Also we have seen in the earlier videos that all these rules are applicable for straight chain compounds, straight chain alkanes and for branch chain alkanes also. So what will be the name of this compound? Look at this compound. This compound is also having a ring which is made up of 5 carbon atoms. So the parent name is cyclopentane. What are the substituents? The substituents are methyl and propyl. So M comes before P, and so the numbering will be done in this manner. Methyl will get preference, and so the numbering will start from methyl, and while writing the name will be again the methyl will get preference because methyl comes first in alphabetical order, and so the name of this compound is 1-methyl 3-propyl cyclopentane. What about the name of this compound? This is again a cyclopentane ring having a ethyl and methyl substituent. Now who will get preference? Ethyl will get preference over methyl because E comes before M. So now the numbering will start from here. Ethyl will be numbered as 1 and methyl E is occupying position 3. So now what will be the name of this compound? The name of this compound is 1-ethyl 3-methyl cyclopentane. Note, while writing the name, ethyl got preference over methyl. Just like while numbering also, ethyl got preference over methyl. So the name of this compound is 1-ethyl 3-methyl cyclopentane. Now if the cycloalkane is substituted with two identical alkyl chains, then just like in for straight chain alkane or branch chain alkane, we have, if there were two identical alkyl chain, we use the prefix di for 2 and tri for 3 and tetra for 4. So here also we are going to use we are going to name in the similar manner. But while writing the name of the alkyl chain in alphabetical order, these prefixes di, tri and tetra are not considered. This you all know. Okay. So what will be the name of this compound? Yes. So since this is also a cyclopentane ring, and it has two substituents and both the substituents are identical, both are methyl. So let's start numbering from this methyl group. And what will be the name of this compound? The name of this compound is 1,3,1,3 dimethyl cyclopentane. But if somebody wants to start numbering from the other methyl group, then what will be the name of the compound? The name of the compound is again, see, it's similar, 1,3-dimethyl cyclopentane. So if the cycloalkane is substituted with only with two identical alkyl chain, then it doesn't matter from where you start numbering. You can start numbering from any of the alkyl chain. The name will be the same. Now let's see that if the ring is having various alkyl substituent, look at this compound. This is a cyclohexane ring having two methyl groups at this position, at this carbon, and an ethyl group at this carbon. So while numbering the ring, the di-substituted carbon of the ring will get preference over the mono-substituted carbon, as more branch carbon gets lower number. That we have seen in video 5, that more substituted, the more branch the carbon gets a lower number. But while writing the name in alphabetical order is to be followed. So which carbon is branched? This carbon is more branched than this compound, this carbon. So now the numbering should start from where? From this carbon or from this carbon? The numbering will start from this carbon, and so the numbering is in this manner. But what will be the name of this compound? There are two methyl groups at one position and ethyl group at 3 position. While writing the name, since we have to follow the alphabetical order, so ethyl will get preference over the methyl, and so the name of this compound will be 3-ethyl 1,1-dimethyl cyclohexane. Now here there is an assignment for you. Write the IUPAC nomenclature of the following compound. Just take up a pen and a paper, write the structure, look at the structure, and first look at the number of carbons present in the ring, and then look at the substituents present there. Is it disubstituted or monosubstituted? If there is any disubstituted carbon, that gets preference in numbering. And while writing the name should be written in alphabetical order. Just pause your video, see the structure, see the substituents, and try to write the name of this compound. The name of this compound is 3-ethyl 4-isopropyl 1,1-dimethyl cycloheptane, because there are 7 members, there are 7 carbons in the ring, and so the name of the parent cycloalkane is cycloheptane. There are 3 different substituents, 2 methyl groups at 1 position, ethyl group at 3 position, and isopropyl group at 4 position. This carbon is disubstituted, so obviously this will get 1 number, because higher the branching, that carbon gets lower number. That was the rule. And so this carbon will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now you know the position of the substituents. Once you know the position of the substituents, now while writing the names, you know the name of the substituents will come in the prefix. And we have to follow an alphabetical order while naming the cycloalkanes. So E comes first in the alphabetical order, then I, then M. And so, and di and tri, tetra are not included within while writing the IUPAC nomenclature. So the preference is E over I and over M. So the name of this compound is 3-ethyl 4-isopropyl 1,1-dimethyl cycloheptane. That's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Before I end, I would like to end with a thought. Today's pain is tomorrow's power. The more you suffer, the stronger you are tomorrow. Thank you and bye-bye.